Hi there YouTube and welcome back to another video here at FX TK Millionaire. On today's video guys, you know your boy didn't bring out some videos, but it's all Gucci guys. You guys can see price did do exactly what we did discuss in the previous breakdown videos. If you guys can just check out my previous video that I was talking about what is about to happen on the volatility 75 market. So what it was, the meaning behind it is, as you guys can remember, we say price can come into this. We can see price did do that, reverse back, and then come to the downside. Now what we also can see is, guys, is that price is currently now trading under this area of support, right? We can also see that we have our breakout and we have our retest right here. So now what we also can expect is for price to come tap into this area of support, right? So but our main target point, guys, is this trend line right here. Because why? As you guys can see, and what I did discuss with you guys is that price and the Volatile 75 market love to respect trend lines, right? So we can expect this momentum still to come to the downside, right? So if you guys think that you are too late for the move, you're never too late for the move, guys. Let me just show you something that you guys can apply and take advantage of right now or tomorrow. So what you guys could have seen right now is that we already have our beautiful head and shoulders pattern right here. There we have our breakout, and there we have our retest, and there we have another double top, right? And momentum is now obviously coming to the downside. So what we can do in the scenarios right now is to wait for price to close under this previous lows, because right, this previous low is a point of structure, and as you guys can see, we just draw this line straight. It was previous area of support, and now we can expect this move to respect this region here again. So what we must do right now, guys, is to wait for price to close under this area, a retest, and then continue to the downside, and then we will trade it to this area of support just down here. But if you guys want to see more insight, I want you guys to scale down to your 15-minute. Right. So on a 50-minute, guys, now we're gonna take a look at more intraday price action and momentum flows, because why, we start all from a higher time frame and then scale down just to build our overall bias on any market that you're gonna trade. Always build your bias before you even try to take trades on your smaller time frames. So what you guys could have seen right here, right? You guys can see we have this impulse down, we have a retracement, and there we can see price did already come and trade under this previous structures right here, right? So now we know that our overall momentum is to the downside, right? We have a break and retest right here, and we know this is part of our previous lows, right? So these lows right here will be a reason that we must be really careful right now, guys, because right, this is our previous lows, and what we could have seen on the previous chart that I was just opening my 1 hour, that we have a previous area of support right on this zone. So what we must do right now, guys, is that wait for price to at least trade under this zone, right? And then wait for price to retest back to this area, and then wait for price to continue to the downside. So what you're gonna basically do right now, guys, is that wait for something like this. You see here, let me just show you like this. This is the previous lows right now. This is the lows that we have right here. So wait for price to break under this lows, right? That price break under it, and then we're gonna wait for price to retest this previous lows here again, and then we're gonna wait for a bearish engulfing candle or a bearish variation, something like this, as you guys could have seen right here. This is what we're gonna wait for right here. To trade right here right now, guys, is going to be really dangerous, because why, like I mentioned, this is our 1 hour area of support. Let me just show you guys again. Instead, you guys forgot, right? This is our 1 hour area of support right here. So you guys can see right here, right? This is our area of support. So that is why I say let's wait for breakout, retest, and then we're gonna trade it back to our previous area of supports right here. And our overall target, guys, is going to be this reason here on our daily time frame, because right, we targeting this daily trend line. So our overall scenario and prediction is that price will most likely come and test this trend line, and then we can expect the reversal from this trend line, guys. So I will hit you guys up with another market insight video tomorrow, guys. I was just busy working on some other business and stuff, guys. But today I'm feeling like, yo, let me just hit up some of the people who love my videos to add value to you guys. You guys can um get more insight, because why the inside videos, if you guys can see, was really valuable. So if you guys enjoy this video, hit your boy up with a comment and a like and subscribe. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm out.